How to fix download failed problem on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in this short video I'm gonna show you how to fix download failed easily and fast. First thing you wanna do guys is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this, and then on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Go to the WhatsApp app and then click on this force stop to stop the app from running, and then click on the data usage. Disable those options and enable them again. Go back, click on the storage, click on clear cache to clear all the cache, and then you have to go back to the settings, open the wireless and networks, and then enable the airplane mode and disable it again. Now you have to open the Wi-Fi and then disable it and enable it again. Now one last thing you wanna do is just restart your phone, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.